I'm in Sydney and I actually have done it, guys. Like, I finally made my first step. I'm in Sydney doing my first training course. Just a pretty boring kind of safety thing, but actually I'm going to do some firefighting training today, so hopefully they're gonna let me film it a bit. I haven't really asked them, but I just kind of was hoping to bring this along, and yeah, and they were just gonna be like, okay, but it might be weird, we'll see. Just going to get the bus now. Had to get up at fucking 6 o'clock this morning, which is tough, and I'm gonna stop now because there's a bit too many cars. Oh, don't tell me that was my bus. I'll cry a little bit. No, we good. Alright. Oh, of course, there's a loud truck. Anyways, in Sydney now, realise I'm like gonna be a good 10 minutes early, but I guess there's nothing wrong with being early. Yeah, so I came to this course, didn't have any documents or anything. They didn't email me anything, so then when it comes to them telling me I needed to pack certain things, I didn't pack anything. So I went out yesterday and like bought a shirt. Yeah, just wearing some trackies. But we're gonna be getting wet apparently, so that's cool.
You don't know the power of the dark side.
That's it. Let's go for a walk, guys. Let's go for a walk.
You've lost all that vision, haven't you?
So goddamn bright. So my second training course, I've already done the fire safety one. That was fun. But now we're actually at a survival techniques place where we get to practice using a life raft and stuff like that, and just, I don't know, it's all practical. I'm only going to be here for a couple hours, but the one downside is I'm going to have to go in the water with basically all of this on. Like all my clothes, but I brought other clothes to wear. I don't want to wear these exact ones, but yeah, it's gonna be a fucking bit of a sticky one, so I'm just gonna carry around with this wet shit, but it should be fun. It'll be fine, super fun. It's Friday, almost the end of the week, so At least there's that to look forward to. Maybe get to go for a surf tomorrow. Might be able to see that. Anyways, peace. Coming to the end of the week, I've been doing stuff, and now it's time to do a scuba diving course. 7:45, I'm tired, but yeah, I gotta get to it. I'll try to video little bits, but I probably won't be able to take it with me, which is kinda annoying, but whatever.
Hands on your heads. Turn around.
No, you don't need to turn around. He's messing with you. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go!
No! So all finished with the dive. It was actually alright. When I say the dive, it was just training and had to swim a couple laps. But been here since literal, like basically 8 o'clock, and it's now I think like 12:01 later maybe. So we've been in the pool the whole time. Like I kid you not, the whole time, just chilling in our wetsuits. And now we're going to do our first ocean dive. So. Oh. This feels like really wide, dude. Smile. Now or never. This is the fit. Fully kitted up. Haven't really strapped in properly, but be kitted. See you later. How do you feel?
I don't feel good.
How do you feel?
I'm alright. I'm feeling very great.
Yeah, Alright, so today we're doing 3 dives. I've done 2. It's been really good. Saw a little sea dragon. It was really cute, and I mean, here's the fit. Looking pretty swaggy. Left like these real weird marks on your arms and shit because the wetsuits are so damn tight. But yeah, it's been pretty good. Beautiful day. And we got 1 to go, so it's kind of sad, but I'm pretty keen to finish up actually. Because yeah, just fucking... I thought my ear was going to be fucked as well. I couldn't get it to, what's the word? This is equalize. I couldn't get it to equalize, but be good. Yeah, we're doing last dive now. We get to actually kind of go off on our own a little bit. He's kind of going to watch us. That's cool. We'll see how that goes. So after all this, it brought my 2-week course to an end. I left with a certificate to be able to go internationally and work on boats. And I also did my scuba certificate. After this, I just drove home and got to enjoy the sunsets. I know this video took forever to come out, but I just had to ask for some permissions. Be keen because I'm actually coming back for a deckhand course, so you can see me tie some ropes.